Today, we're making takeout style Kung Pao Chicken. This is not your Panda Express style, but rather inspired by a more vegetable-filled version of Kung Pao Chicken and your local mom-and-pop Chinese takeaway place. This recipe uses bamboo shoots, water chestnuts, celery, and carrots in a chicken-flavored sauce. This is a great option for meal prep, lunch, or dinner, and is quick and easy to make during busy weeks. So, let's get cooking. Start by dicing 1 cup of celery, or about 3 celery sticks, that we've sliced into small pieces. Then dice 1 jumbo carrot, or about 1 cup of diced carrot. Then we'll dice up 1 cup of bamboo shoots, which is about 1 can of bamboo shoots. You can typically find this at your local Asian market. Then we'll dice half a cup of water chestnuts. Similarly, these can be found packaged in cans at your local Asian market or in the Asian food section. For the protein, we'll use 1 large chicken breast that we'll thinly slice. Chicken thighs can also be used. We'll also prep half a cup to 3/4 cup of roasted half peanuts. For the sauce, we'll mix together half a cup of water or chicken stock and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, mix this together. One teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of chicken powder if you used water. Mix this together. Add half a teaspoon more cornstarch if you like your sauce a bit thicker like me. Let's get cooking. On a wok set to high heat, add a tablespoon of oil, add our chicken, and toss until cooked. Be sure to break up the thin slices using a cooking chopstick or some other spatula. This should take around 2 to 3 minutes to fully cook on high heat. Once this is fully cooked, we'll then add our veggies except the water chestnuts. And allow these veggies to steam and cook for about 4 minutes. This will help soften up the carrots and celery without making them mushy. Then we can add the water chestnuts at the end and add our sauce. Make sure to give this a last stir to dissolve any of the cornstarch. Once we've added our sauce, we'll mix this all together. Make sure that we're still on high heat. The sauce will start to thicken up as well. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we'll then add our peanuts and give this one last toss for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once everything is incorporated and heated up, we can plate this up. And boom, you have takeout style Kung Pao Chicken. Now, this is not your Panda Express style, but it's a similar style to what you'd get at a more local, small mom and pop Chinese takeaway place. In my case, it's just like a place I used to go to, and I love that this recipe has lots of veggies in it. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.